Every day I come in my studio, there's a sign that reminds me to not take life quite that seriously. Hey guys, this is the tour of my studio that you were asking for. My name is Amantha Tsaros, and I am here in my studio in Lexington, Massachusetts. There are 3 parts to the studio that I'm going to show you. The front part, which is a little shop and gallery spot, as well as my working space where I also will show work. And there's a clean room where I'm not allowed to go in with dirty hands or paint on me. That's where I pack up art to be shipped out, or I frame work and I don't want to get any stray paint or other kind of nasty stuff on the work that's going out. So I'm glad you're here. Let's have a tour. This is the front gallery where I've got risographs showing today. They're all sitting in print racks and in files where you can come and flip through them and see what you like. On the shelf over here, there are cards and stickers and some scarves, as well as a little painting that I've been working on. Beyond there, some more paintings in a little nook I'll show you later. On this shelf, I have a painting on glass, a little monotype. And over here, some monoprints. You can have a look through and see. They're packaged. This is a favorite piece called Bluebird of Happiness. This is my large workroom. Here in the corner is a little nook where I'll put paintings that I want to refer back to for inspiration. There's some small paintings that are very glossy that I'm kind of enjoying right now, as well as a larger painting called Ambush Tang Taboo. Right there on the left is a new one called Confetti Cha-Cha that I happen to really like. Around the ledge of my studio, I will put up paintings that I'm working on or some paintings that I want to refer back to. Like this one here, this garden painting, I kind of like the colors that I want to use again, and these 2 on the right are not complete. There's my work table that I keep in the middle of the room. It's on wheels so I can move it. This is a work in progress that's not done. I keep my paint in these fancy baskets that I got at Home Goods. I've been very jealous of artists and their clever storage. I've got a corner full of palettes of all kinds. And sometimes I will do a dark painting. Across from my work table, I have this large wall. It currently has 2 bright paintings on it, and you can see my small gallery space from here. This is my work table. I keep multiple buckets for water. It looks kind of clean right now, but don't fool yourself. It doesn't always look like this. I keep everything else, brushes and paint and extra paints and brushes and sponges, in carts at the end of my table, and I can wheel them around and move them as I see fit. Here's a close look at my paintings. Oh, I love paint. Big fat brushes. Go to the hardware store and grab whatever kind of junk I can get my hands on. It makes me so happy. Some of my favorite colors. And next up is going to be a painting on sort of raw canvas. So I can't wait to see how that turns out. And over here is the secret clean room. It's actually a storage space, and you can see I've got materials and finished works on these shelves. I try to label all the paintings so that I can easily find them when I need them. This is a little nook in that room where I keep my small 6x6s. I like looking at these little guys. They're all available to see. Well, I've shown you the 3 big rooms in my studio. I hope you'll get to come and see it in person when this is all over. Thanks for checking out the studio. Bye. Thanks for checking out the studio.